Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to install YouTube in laptop, either on Windows 10 or Windows 11. You can also use the same approach to install YouTube on your desktop computer. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to install YouTube app on your Windows computer, all you need to do is go ahead and open a browser. So first open a browser. Now, once you open a browser, go to youtube.com website itself and then click on the enter button. Hang on for the YouTube page to load. Once you say YouTube just like this, now to install the YouTube app on your Windows laptop, all you need to do is click on this button. You see that? So just click on the link, then come here and click on this button. Then once you click on that spot that says install app. Now to install the YouTube application on your laptop or Windows computer, go ahead and click on install. Then you should see this new page pops. On the new page, you can see this is going to load YouTube. Then you can now go ahead and close this. Then close the browser. Once you close the browser, then come to your laptop or computer desktop. You should see YouTube installed on it. Then double click. Once you double click on it, then you should see the YouTube application opened on your laptop or Windows computer. So if this is your first time of opening the YouTube application on your Windows, then you need to hang on a couple of minutes for it to load. Then you can now go ahead, expand it, and then there you go. If you have not signed into your YouTube account, then you may need to sign into your YouTube account. So see that? So that is exactly how to install YouTube app on Windows laptop, or how you can easily install the YouTube application on your desktop computer. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.